Hi everyone, welcome back to Chart Explain, where we learn the market the easy way. In this video, you will understand how share prices move. Before going into the main content of the video, let me ask one question. Have you ever noticed that a share price keeps changing every second? And what do you think? Who actually decides the price? How it changes in every second? Let's understand all these questions in a very simple way. And trust me, it is much simpler than you think. Let's come to the first section of the video. What does a share price mean? The answer is, a share price is simply the price at which both buyers and sellers agree to trade. It is neither fixed by the government nor by the company. The price moves every second based on people buying and selling, and the buying and selling of the people depends on the demand and supply of the share. Now let's understand the one golden rule, that is demand and supply. How demand and supply moves the price every second. The stock market follows one simple rule. High demand plus low supply implies price goes up. Low demand plus high supply implies price goes down. This rule applies to shares just like it applies to other goods which we buy in the day-to-day life. We will understand the concept of demand supply through a simple real life example. Imagine a share is trading at 100 rupees. If more people want to buy the share than sell it, buyers are ready to pay more than 100, maybe 101, maybe 102, 103, maybe much more than that also. So if buyers are ready to buy at much higher price, then the price automatically goes up. Now imagine some bad news comes and more people want to sell the share. No one wants the share to hold. So sellers accept it at lower prices, like less than 100 rupees, 99 rupees, 95 rupees, 90 rupees, or more less than that. So price automatically goes down. Now let's understand through a stock market example. And these things happens in the stock market. So it is a practical example. Consider a company announces good quarterly results. Investors feel confident and start buying the share. So what happened? The demand increases. That's why prices goes up. Now imagine the company reported a loss or some scam news comes. So what happens? Investors got panic and start selling the share. That's why supply increases because more and more investors wants to sell that share. So price automatically goes down. This is how news affects the share price. Let's understand who are the buyers and sellers in the stock market. These buyers and sellers can be retail investors like you and me, big investors and institutions, mutual funds, and foreign investors. All of them together decide the price. Let's come to one important part. I'll share some very important truth about stock market, about the price movement of the shares in the stock market. That price movement does not always mean the price is good or bad. Sometimes price moves because of market sentiment, news, fear and greed also. That's why we need to learn the basics. Learning is very important before investing in the stock market. So let's come to the final summary. We'll do a quick final revision what we learned in this video. First point, share price is decided by sellers and buyers. The one golden rule, that is demand and supply, move the prices. Good news and bad news also affects the price of the share. Emotions also play a big role. So that's it for today, guys. If this video helps you understand how share prices move, like these videos and subscribe to Chart Explain. See you soon. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.